Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important chapter in statistics, that is measure of dispersion. First, the meaning of dispersion. Dispersion is the extent to which the value is distribution differ from the average of the distribution. In other words, dispersion means the variation of scattering or deviation of the different value of the variable from their average. It indicates the extent to which the value vary among themselves. According to the Bowell, dispersion is the measures of variations of item. Means dispersion is the measure of extent to which the individual item is varies. It is clear from that dispersion is the extent of scatteredness of item around the measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency are called average of the first order, but the measure of dispersions are called average of the second order because of these based on the deviation of the different value from the average. The objective related to measurement of dispersion. The first to check the reliability of an average. The reliability of an average depend upon the extent dispersion in the data. A value of dispersion implies greater degree of homogeneous among the observation, hence the more reliable average. A high and large value of the dispersion implies greater deviation among the observations, hence not quite reliable average. Second, to know about the composition of series or the dispersion value or either side of the central tendency. Third, to know the range of the value, means difference between the high and the lowest value. Fourth, to compare the disparities between the two or more series in order to find out the degree of variations. Fifth, to know whether central tendency are truly represent like a series or not. Means other word we can say that comparison of two or more series using measures of dispersion, we can compare the degree of homogeneity of observation in different distribution, and distributions having lower value of dispersion is said to be a more uniform and constant and stable. To facilitate the computations of other statistical measures, the different measures of dispersion are used to computation important statistical measure like a correlations, confidence intervals and control limit to serve as a basis of control variation. Using measures of dispersion, we can determine the variability of in different distribution. The knowledge about the dispersion may be utilized to control variation in various area of industry, income, medicine, etc. The characteristic of good measure of dispersions is should be easy to calculate and simply to understand, and should be rigidly defined. It should be based on all the observation of the series and capable further mathematical treatment, and should not be much affected by the facilitation of the sampling and duly affected by the extreme observation. And type of dispersion. Measures of dispersion can be divided into absolute and relative measures of dispersion. Absolute measures of dispersion expressed in the terms of original unit of the measure of the variable. These measures cannot be used to compare dispersion of two or more distribution expressed in different unit. For example, dispersions of height of the student measured in centimeter and dispersion of income measured in rupees. Next, relative measures of dispersion are properly known as the coefficients of dispersion. It is expressed as a pure number which is independent from the unit of measurement of the variable. Relative measures are often used for comparison of dispersions of various distribution. For example, comparison of height of the student with weight. Relative measures are expressed as a ratio percentage, not in the unit as figure of original data. The method of measuring dispersions, they are divided into three parts: method of limit, method of averaging deviations, and graphical method. Method of limit, the measure which express the variation in the observations in the terms of difference between the certain selected observation, for example range, interquartile range, percentile range. Method of averaging deviations, measure which are expressed in the variation of observation terms of average of deviation from the center value, mean deviation, is standard deviation, and graphical method, Lorentz curve. Thank you.